Hello everyone, I Rajneesh Kumar, your technical expert advisor, cordially welcomes you to the Eastman Technical Masterclass. Today we'll talk about SMF inverter battery and give you some important information about it. Eastman Group was established in the year 1970, which is a very well-known name when we talk about home power generation equipment. We have two world-class R&D and manufacturing facilities which are spread over an area of approximately 210,000 square feet. Our company is ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015 and OSAS 45001-2018 certified that meets the standards as prescribed by the international quality. With our manufacturing excellence and years of extensive R&D experience, we have created one such battery with high capacity in this segment, which also provides high warranty as well as high efficiency. This battery provides very good backup time while spending minimum electricity cost at the time of charging, and also this is very reliable and low cost, and this is the reason this is also called the primary choice for a wise person. So now let me tell you about the models which are available for our inverter SMF battery. The product's model name is EM200 SMF SS, which comes in the Power On series and its capacity is 200 Ah. Let me now tell you about the key features of our SMF inverter battery. The first key feature of our SMF battery is the lowest electricity consumption while recharging. We also use another thing which is optimized negative press test in our batteries, with which the charge acceptance rate is high. With a high charge acceptance rate, the battery will be able to charge faster and the customer's electricity bill will reduce. The next key feature of our SMF battery is easy recovery after idle period. Our high-quality SMF inverter battery easily recovers automatically after the idle period. For example, you use the battery even after 3 months, then it will give you equal backup like in the first cycle. Our next key feature is negligible fuming. For example, our SMF battery works on VRLA technology, due to which the fumes that are generated due to heating are completely negligible. We have used a fume resistor in our SMF battery which stops the fume from generating from the inverter. Now let me tell you about the do's and don'ts of our SMF inverter battery. Always keep the battery in a cool and dry place, and you must read the installation manual before installing the inverter battery. Always keep your battery away from moisture and fire. Always clean your battery with a cotton cloth only. Always remember that you use proper sized cable and connector during installation. Put the battery back on charge as soon as possible after every discharge. When you're tightening the terminals of the battery, it is suggested to use a washer only and check the battery connections at least once in 6 months carefully without fail. Always maintain proper isolation between your battery and the battery rack. If you find a damaged battery during installation, then you should stop the installation immediately and contact the manufacturer quickly. Never ever place your battery in direct sunlight, it's dangerous. Never add DM water and acid in your SMF battery. Never try to open the vent plugs of the battery. Never use different models or even different brands and different types of batteries in the same battery connection. I hope that the information given by us will be very useful to you. We thank you very much for staying connected with our technical masterclass. Give as much likes as possible to our video and shares too, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Eastman.